Hello there, Algebra 1A, and welcome to lesson 4.5. This is part 2. The big thing for today is using our slope formula. So I have it written down up there, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. From there, label the points. So we are going to be finding values of x that are missing. So I'm going to label everything and then just put that into our formula. So m, which is 1/4, we know is equal to y2 minus y1. So negative 2 minus 2 all over x2 minus x1. x2 is actually just our x missing, and x1 is 7. From there, we just do some simplifying. So 1/4 is equal to negative 4 all over the quantity x minus 7. And from there, we're going to cross multiply. So good old cross multiplication is back. We are going to take the 4 times negative 4, which is negative 16. And then 1 times x minus 7, which is just going to be x minus 7. Sometimes you'll have to distribute that, but for our sake right now, it's just an x minus 7. And after solving that, adding 7 to each side, we have negative 9 is equal to x minus 7. Negative 9 is just equal to x. You can always check these as well. You can check them by using the regular slope formula and substituting negative 9 in for our first x. So negative 2 minus 2 all over negative 9 minus 7 is our negative 4 over negative 16, which would simplify to our 1/4 slope. Okay? So the next one is really same idea, just some extra practice. I will give you the opportunity to try it out on your own. I'll set it up here first for you. So our slope is negative 7, which is just negative 7 over 1. And we can set that equal to negative 2 minus quantity negative 9. Remember that little trick. All over x minus 7. Okay, so I'll be quiet here as you try it out and check your work. One thing to note with this one, when you distribute, it is negative 7 times the quantity x minus 7. So that is going to be negative 7x plus 49. When you cross multiply and you have to distribute that, you just need to be careful. Then you just have 7. Just a regular equation to solve. And when you divide a negative over a negative, it's just going to be positive. So we should get 6 is equal to x. Okay. So good stuff with that. The other type we will be looking at is, instead of solving for x, solving for y. The process is pretty much the same, only you just need to be careful as to what you plug in. So we're going to have 1 over 1 is equal to y. So I'm going to label everything as usual. I think that's very helpful. Feel free to do that. y2, which is just y, minus negative 3 all over x2, which is 8 minus 9. Do some simplifying. That's just y plus 3 in the numerator all over 8 minus 9, which is negative 1. Cross multiply, which really doesn't change much. We're going to have negative 1 is equal to y plus 3. And solve for y to get y is equal to negative 4. All right. Box that one off. If you want to go ahead and try the next one and check your work, that'd be great. I will go into it here as well, setting up once again for you. So label everything. Very important step. And we're going to have negative, or just positive 16 over 1 is equal to y minus 9 all over negative 9 minus negative 8, which is really just 16 is equal to y minus 9 all over negative 1. I'm going to crisscross applesauce here. Friendly reminder, negative 9 minus negative is positive. So y minus 9 is equal to negative 16. And add the 9 over, and we get y is equal to 7. Okay? Negative 7, my bad. So y equals negative 7. Great stuff, guys. Try out those practice problems down below, and let me know if you have questions.